As you know that you can become a professional photographer in no distant time, this is what this video today is all about. I'm going to be giving you guys key strategies on how you can master and become a professional photographer in that area and in that niche. Okay, so stay tuned and watch the video. On this channel, I talk about photography tips and tricks that will make you to master and perfect your photography business career. So consider subscribing to this channel. The subscription button is right below this video. This is a new channel that I'm just building, so you guys can help me to build this channel so that YouTube will take this video and the channel out to more people to see, so that they will also benefit from my content as well. And also click on the notification so that whenever I drop a content, you will get notice of it, because I drop videos on weekly basis. Let's dive into the business of the day. Being a professional in any skill or anything you are doing is something that everyone wants to be, because when you're a professional and more people know you that you're a professional, people will start coming to you, will start making money with ease, because they know you as someone that can do this thing very well with excellence. So the first thing which I really want to do for you to become a professional photographer is to develop practice your skill. This is something that you must do. Developing and practice your skill comes in you mastering and also knowing your camera setting. You as a photographer, if you want to become a professional photographer, I want you to shoot on manual, because this is what will really make you to know how your camera works. Know how to shoot on manual, either indoor or outdoor. Know how all this thing works. Apart from you shooting on manuals, I want you to know about shooting on different composition. Your composition when you're shooting your image is something that you must do as well. You see, another thing is posing. Posing in photography is something you must know as a as a professional photographer. You have to have an idea and know how they works very well. Apart from all this that I've mentioned, communicating with your client is something that is involved in this. You must know how to communicate with your clients very well, because you being a photographer is not only you with it's not only when you are good with the camera, you should also know how to relate and communicate effectively with your clients. This is one thing that will make you to put you on that roadmap to becoming a successful and professional photographer. And the second thing is you have to build your portfolio. And by building your portfolio, I want you to create and work on your portfolio that align with your niche. Your niche have to be something that you love. Have to be something that you can do it that you really love without stress. Your niche should be something that you can do and you will get the best work out of it. So start working on your portfolio, because this is what will get you those clients. Start working on your portfolio, because this is what will make you to stand out to becoming that professional in that particular niche that you are doing. Try to stick on that particular niche that you are doing, that will bring out that professionalism in you. Okay. And the next point is that I want you to create your own brand. How do you want people to see you? How do you want people to call you or to remember you in this photography that you are doing? Because you being a professional, you being a professional, people should know you for this particular thing that you are doing. Is it a wedding? Are you a wedding photographer? Are you into fashion? Are you into beauty? Are you into lifestyle portrait? Anything that you know that you can do and people will know you that you are good in this thing. This is what you will start doing. This is what you will start developing. This is what you will put your energy, your resources and time, to perfect it to become that professional that you really want. I know building your brands take time. It's not something that you just start today and you are there. Building your brands take time, so you have to stick to it, start experimenting and practicing on different styles, on what will make you that professional, and what make you to be that professional in that particular style or brands that you want. Another thing that also makes you to become that professional photographer is when you're also working on your online platforms. Okay, because the truth is that you cannot just be good in on the previous talk that I've talked without you working on your online visibility. Working on your online visibility is also one thing that will get you all those clients, and also one thing that will also make other big brands also to collaborate and also to work with you. If you use the necessary hashtags on your posting, you should also use the key SEO. Use words, use the caption that will be ranked in SEO, because this is one thing that will set you aside and make you that professional that you are. All these things is something that a professional does. So if you want to become that professional, start incorporating all these things in your photography business career. Next thing that also make you to become that professional photographer is your word of mouth. Yes, you have to push yourself out. You have to push yourself out. Use your mouth to talk to people on what you do. Because if the social media is not there, let's say there's no social media, you have to be the social media for yourself. You have to go there and talk to people. This is what you do. This is what you are known for. This is how people will also know you, and this is how people will also book you. And this is how you will become that professional. Because you being a professional also has to deal with how you communicate with people, not only your client but to every other persons. Okay, so you have to talk effectively to everyone that comes your way about what you do and what you are known for. And guys, at this point, if you find this video interesting, please consider subscribing to this channel. The subscription button is right below this video, so that YouTube will take this video out to more persons out there that will also benefit them. This is just a new channel that you can also help me to grow this channel, so that it will become useful to other persons as well. And also click on notification so that you also get notified whenever I drop a content. And my last point on how you can become a professional photographer is you have to act like a professional. Yes, you have to act like one. When I mean acting like a professional, it deals with how you communicate with your clients before, during, and after the shooting session. All this has to do with how you communicate with your client, even when they are inquiring, even when they have an inquiry. It has to do with how you reply them or how you interact with them. Okay, besides all this, you have to look like one. You have to dress the part, you have to dress neat, you have to dress nice like a professional as well. Apart from this, how do you show up when you are being booked? Your time consciousness is one thing that you really want to work on if you want to also become a professional photographer, because you cannot be showing up late when being booked and you expect people to call you or to see you like a professional. All this has to do with you becoming a professional, and putting all this together from the first one to this very one that I've just said now is something that will put you on that roadmap to become a professional photographer. I think this video has been so helpful to you. Please consider subscribing to this channel below this video so that it will get out to more people. And don't forget to click on the notification so that whenever I drop a content, you will get notice of it. Thank you, and see you in my next video.